we are discussing property number 6. Property number 6. Property number 6 is what? Integration. We have limit minus a to a fx dx. So whenever we have limit minus a to a fx dx, so this one we can write is what? Integration 0 to a fx plus f of minus x dx. This we can write. Okay, so whenever limit is minus a to a fx dx, we can write this integration 0 to a fx plus f of minus x dx. Okay, now we will discuss proof. So we are taking left hand side. Left hand side is what? This one. So minus a to a fx dx. Okay, so this we can separate at 0. So this one we can write minus a to 0 fx dx plus integration 0 to a fx dx. Okay, so this one we are taking what? I1, and this one we are taking what? I2. Okay, so this integration will become what? I1 plus I2. So here I2 we will keep as it is. We are simplifying I1. So I1 is what? Integration minus a to 0 fx dx. So here instead of x we are putting what? Minus t. Okay, so if we differentiate, what will come? Dx equal to what will come? Minus dt. Okay, so we are changing integral variable. Okay, so here integral value is what? X. So limit is what? In terms of x equal to minus a to x equal to 0. Okay, now we are changing integral value in terms of t. So limit also we have to change. So here lower limit is what? Minus a. So x equal to minus a if you put here, so what will come here? T equal to a. And if you put upper limit is at 0, so x equal to 0, if you put t equal to what will come? 0. So this integration will become what? I1 equal to integration, lower limit is what? A, upper limit is what? 0, f of minus t, and dx we can write minus dt. Okay, so here what will come? I1, this minus 1 is outside, we are changing the limit. So if you change the limit, what will come? Minus sign will come, integration 0 to a f of minus t dt will come. So minus what? Plus 1 will come. So this will come what? 0 to a f of minus t dt will come. Okay, so here I1 we can write what? Okay, now here instead of t minus t we are putting minus x. Instead of minus t we are putting minus x. So what will come here? 0 to a as it is will come, because this is what? Similar only in the identical function only. Okay, t power is what? 1, x power is 1, coefficient of t is what? Minus 1, coefficient of x is what? Minus 1. So with this one we can write what? 0 to a f of minus x dx. This we can write. So this is your I1. Okay, now I1 value we will put here, and I2 value is what? This one. So what will come here? I1 is what? 0 to a f of minus x dx. 0 to a f of minus x dx plus I2 is what? This one only, 0 to a fx dx. 0 to a fx dx. Okay, so this will come what? 0 to a common f of minus x plus f of x dx. This we can write. Okay, so integration minus a to a fx dx we can write this one. Okay, so here integration minus a to a fx dx. This we can write what? This one. Okay, now here f of minus x and plus f of x is there. Okay, now if function is even, function is even, that means what? F of minus x equal to what? Fx. So this integration will come what? Minus a to a fx dx. This will come what? 0 to a f of minus x, what you can write? Fx. So fx plus fx what? 2 times fx will come. So 2 is outside, fx dx we can write. So if function is what? Even, so integration minus a to a fx dx we can write 2 times 0 to a fx dx we can write. Okay, and second case what? If fx is odd function. What is the meaning of odd function? F of minus x we can add what? Minus of f of x. Okay, so here what will come? Minus e to a fx dx. this will come what? F of minus x we will write minus fx. So minus fx plus fx is what? 0. So integration of 0 is what? 0. So this will come what? 0. Okay. So here if fx is odd function, then integration minus a to a fx dx will come what? 0. Okay. So these are the formula. Okay. Main formula is what? This one. Main formula is this one. Every time we can apply this formula.